If you have a Toyota Corolla E210 sedan model like this one, and you want to put some child seats in the rear of the car, check out this video to find out where your Isofix points and that top tether points are. Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. My name is Ross and today we have this 2024 E210 Toyota Corolla sedan. I'm just going to very quickly show you where the bottom Isofix points are for your child seats, and I'll also point out the top tethers. So first off, we'll come into the car, and it's fairly obvious on this car. The manual does say that you could fit 3 child seats across. However, they would have to be quite small child seats. The ones that I've got in my other car, unfortunately, I don't think you'd fit 3 across. However, just down the bottom here, we have our 2 Isofix points. So you just need to take off those black covers and you can see the bar there. That's what our Isofix mounts go to. However, along with the Isofix mounts, you also have the top tether points. So just going to go around here. You can actually see this black plastic cover there. So on a hatchback, this more often than not will go around the back of the chair. But on this sedan model, the top tether anchor points are actually up here. So you don't have to take the black plastic cover off, you just flick it up and you can get onto that anchor point. So we've got one here. We've got one here for the middle seat, if you can fit one in. And then you've got one over the other side of the car as well. Just aligning with those Isofix mounts. Now, not every child seat has Isofix mounts. A lot of them just use the seat belt. However, you still need to know where those top tether anchor points are. So there we go. If you found that video interesting or helpful, please do give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.